Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving now CSIR NET 2024 June questions. So this question is in this question is from our part B. So this is a single correct question. So the question says us that the number of group homomorphisms from Z mod 150Z to Z mod 90Z is option A is 30, option B is 60, option C is 45, and option D is 10. So we know that I'm gonna write with blue color. Okay. So we know that the number of group homomorphisms from Zm to Zn is what? Is we all know that that is my GCD of M and N. That means the greatest common divisor of M and N. So we have to find the greatest common divisor of this. So my as we know that our Z mod 150Z is isomorphic to Z150 and our Z mod 90Z is isomorphic to Z90. So in this case, our M is 150 and our N is 90. So GCD of that will be what? I'm gonna writing that with very, so our 90 can be written as 30 into 3 and our 150 can be written as 30 into 5. So our GCD is this. So there are 30 group homomorphisms. There are 30 group homomorphisms from Z mod 150Z to Z mod 90Z. So our this is option A. So our option A is correct answer of this question. Hope you understood and please study hard for your examination. All the best.